Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. If you want to know how you can live a healthy and happier life, be sure to check out our videos. Feel free to like and share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Orange ginger roast chicken with fennel and radicchio salad. Get your lean protein from roasted chicken, or grab a rotisserie version from the store if you're short on time, and dig into a fresh and earthy side salad. Fennel comes packed with folate, a type of B vitamin that helps with muscle and nerve function. Pair this fresh and earthy salad with this citrus-infused chicken main. Ingredients: 2 bulbs fennel, cored and sliced into 1/4 inch pieces. 1 tablespoon olive oil, kosher salt, pepper, 1 navel orange, 2 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, coarsely crushed. 1 4 to 5 pounds chicken, giblets discarded. 1 pound mixed mushrooms, cut if large. 1 tablespoon sherry vinegar. 1 small head radicchio, torn into large pieces. Chopped flat leaf parsley, for serving. Directions: heat oven to 350 F. Line rim baking sheet with parchment paper. On prepared sheet, toss fennel with oil and 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Move to outer edges of pan. Grate zest of orange into small bowl, then squeeze in 3 tablespoons juice, reserve orange halves. Whisk in honey to dissolve, then stir in ginger and fennel seeds. Pat chicken dry, place in center of prepared baking sheet and stuff with orange halves, then brush with half of juice mixture. Roast 40 minutes. Increase oven temp to 425 F. Toss mushrooms with fennel and brush chicken with remaining juice mixture. Roast until temp reaches 165 F on instant read thermometer inserted into thickest part of thigh, 25 to 30 minutes. Transfer chicken to cutting board and let rest at least 10 minutes before carving. Toss mushrooms and fennel with vinegar, season with salt and pepper if necessary, and then fold in radicchio. Serve with chicken, topped with parsley if desired. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.